to disable Windows login password and lock screen. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily disable the login password or login pin that you enter on your lock screen. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give our video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let us get back into the video. First thing you need to do is open up your settings. Once you open your settings up, you're just going to head over to the account section down below. And here, all you have to do is find your sign-in options. So simply tap on the sign-in options. And here, if you have set up a PIN or a fingerprint, then you are going to have to go ahead and restart it. And then what you need to do is scroll down, and all you have to do here is simply tap on the icon right here that says if you have been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again. And when it says PC wakes up from sleep, then you just have to select never and then save the settings. So you'll have to provide your PIN first, and once you do that, you should be good to go. So you will not require to sign in if you have been away. So every time you sign out or shut down your computer and open it back again, now you won't have to enter your PIN or password again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.